Hello! We are going to show you how to recharge the magnifier in this step-by-step instruction guide video. We are also going to give you additional information regarding your page magnifier with stand. First things first, each magnifier comes with a USB cable, but the power block that goes into the wall is not included. Input the charging C port into the mouth of the recharging station on the magnifier. Disclaimer: if you see the red light, it means that the magnifier LEDs are being charged and it takes about an hour to be fully charged. Once you see the green light, it means it's fully charged and it's ready to be used. Once it's fully charged, it can be used for reading, writing, or even crafting. Just like our classic bestseller, this magnifier stand can move up and down to adjust to your liking. The magnifier can also be taken out of the stand to be transformed into a handheld magnifier. All you have to do is slide out the magnifier from its stand base. Then slide it back on. To adjust the light dimness, all you have to do is hold down the light power button. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about your product, please be free to contact us. MagniPros. Seeing things differently.